Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope that you all have had a nice break. I know it's a little unusual right now, and I'm pretty sad I only got to spend 2 days with everybody. And I hope that while we're doing this distance learning, that we have a chance to connect with each other through email, through video, different options for connecting with me if you need to. I will be updating all of that information. I'm going to be sending out an email with all the ways to contact me, as well as posting announcements and updates in the Google Classroom stream. So I just want to say welcome back to Digital Skills and Media class. If you don't remember me, because I was only with you for 2 days and maybe you weren't even there, I'm the new media teacher, Miss Locanto. And for the remainder of this quarter in your rotation, we're going to be doing all of our work through Google Classroom. If you haven't set up your signed into your Google Classroom yet, I need you to go ahead and do that before you start. I will go through each of the classes and show you the codes so that you can copy them if you need to. As far as my class goes, and I think a lot of the other specialist classes, is you'll be doing one assignment per week. I will be, as I said, posting updates on the stream and also other materials and resources under the week's work, just for you to view, games to play, different information to look at, just kind of like fun things to do and informational. At some point, maybe next week, we'll do a little assessment exercise just to kind of get an idea of what you guys have been learning, what you've been looking at, and have a conversation that way. So just want to go through what we're going to be doing in Google Classroom. You want to sign into your Google Classroom, and when you open that up, you're going to see all of your classes listed here. So you want to click into the class that you're in. So I'm going to click into this first hour rotation here. So here's the classroom code at the top. You'll see this is for first hour. If you want to pause the video to take down the code, I encourage you to do that. And so this is where you're going to be finding a lot of information. This is the stream. It's kind of like the news feed area. So I'll post announcements. It'll let you know when new assignments and things like that have been posted. So that's all going to go in here. And then under classwork, this is where you're going to find all your assignments. So I'm going to be posting this video that I'm doing right now under this welcome back topic here. And then for this week, the week of April 6th to the 10th, this is where this week's work is going to be posted. So I'm still working on getting those things set up. They will be live tomorrow for you to look at. And there's going to be PowerPoint presentation that I want you to go through, and there's going to be the explanation of the assignment that I want you to do this week. So that's basically what you're going to be doing for the next couple weeks. I've only set it up so far to have the week of April 6th to the 10th, and then the week of April 13th through the 17th. And I think that we're doing an extra week for this rotation, so we'll update that as it comes along. If you haven't turned in your assignments from before we left, those are all the way down at the bottom here under week 1. And so you can find everything there. The what I'd like to learn, class expectations and internet safety, and then your all about me slides. Just make sure that you get those submitted as soon as possible if you haven't turned them in yet. I think that I've emailed everybody who's still has missing assignments. And then at the bottom here, there's just some additional resources for you to click around on. And then there's the class materials. So that's where we have our class syllabus, and there's some other interesting resources to click around on the choice time page. And so that's about it. When you go into the week here, let me go back actually. once you click on the assignment, like I said, I haven't posted it yet, so it's still in draft form. But once you go to turn in the assignment, you're going to want to go into the assignment and then post whatever whatever the requirement is for that week, either a slide or a document or something like that, an image. You'll post it in there, upload it, and then you'll be able to submit your assignment to me. So that's where you'll do that, in there, where you'll find the assignments. So that's pretty much it. I think a lot of you have already used Google Classroom plenty of times throughout your time at Anthony, but if anybody has any problems, issues, concerns, just please reach out to me. You have my email already, but I'm going to put that again in an email that I'm going to send out tonight. I will also put my Google Voice phone number if anybody needs to call me. And probably during this week, I'm going to figure out some good times that we can, I can set up some office hours so that I can be available during the day to, be available over video chat or on the phone if you want to talk, or you just have any questions, or you just want to say hi or get to know me a little better, whatever you think. So I will post that as well. And yeah, other than that, I hope you're all doing well, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you again before the end of the year. And good luck with everything, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.